In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this really cool animated Glock mod. Super fast, simple install. Let's get to it. Okay guys, if this video helped you in any way, be sure to hit the like button and comment down below as it helps our rate a little bit higher on the YouTube algorithms. Next, we're going to go ahead and go to the interwebs and download the Max Payne Animated Glock Mod. It's pretty cool and it's by Alanav, and we're going to download this and get it onto our desktop. Okay, we have the Glock Mod zip file onto our desktop right now. The next step we want to do is pull up our main game directory. I'm sure you guys already know how to get there. So we're going to pull this up and we want to get this into the mods folder. And it's super important that you do this, otherwise you can corrupt your whole game. So make sure you do have a mods folder. If you do not have a mods folder, what you want to do is go to a blank space in your main game directory. You're going to right click, you're going to go to new, you're going to go to folder, and make sure you name it mods, M-O-D-S, just like that. Now the next step is not super important. You don't have to even do this step. But if you want to get that HUD icon where it shows the Glock icon whenever you select a weapon, then I would encourage you to do the next step. The next step is to go ahead and take your update folder right there, and you're going to copy that entire update folder. You're going to right click, you're going to go to copy, you're going to go back into your mods folder just like this. You're going to open it up, and if you already have something in there, then chances are you already did this. But if you don't have anything in there, if it's completely empty, you're going to right click and you're going to paste. If you have an SSD drive, it should only take about a minute. Okay, the next step is to pull up OpenIV. Now, if you don't have OpenIV installed, I would strongly encourage that you install this because this is the way we're going to get it into the game. If you're not sure about OpenIV, if you don't know how to install it, make sure you watch my OpenIV install tutorial. It takes about 5 minutes to watch that. It's pretty easy, but I'm going to show you a few pro tips here. What you want to do first is go to your tools menu at the very top. Go to your ASI manager. And then make sure all three of these are installed right here. The last one is not super important, but if yours looks like this right here, when you first get this opened, you want to make sure you install your ASI loader, install your OpenIV.asi, and this one is not 100% necessary, but I like to use a lot of Rockstar Editor, so I like to install that one as well. We're going to close this, and then the next step is to turn on edit mode. We're going to click yes. We're going to move this to the side. We're going to pull up the Glock mod. And then it has the Glock.oiv. So it's very super easy to do this. This is why it only takes about 30 seconds to install or less. You're going to take this Glock.oiv and you're going to drag it right into your OpenIV. It doesn't matter where it goes. You could just drag and drop. And you want to install this just like that. Make sure it goes into your mods folder. Do not click on your game folder because you can corrupt your whole game. So go to mods folder, click on that, and then you want to click on install. Simple as that. Now, if you want to install the actual icon, which is the actual weapon HUD, my advice is to look at the README right here because we're going to be using this right now. You can see the pathway right there. So the only thing that's different is we're going to have the mods folder. So we're going to go to mods folder. If you copied over your update folder, like I said a few seconds ago, then it should look something sort of like this. You may not have these extra things right there, but you can see the pathway. It's Grand Theft Auto 5 update, update.rpf. So we're going to keep going through this pathway, update.rpf, and then you can see right here, times 64, patch, data, cdimages, scale form _ generic. And this is where it gets a little bit not too complicated, but I want to have you pay real close attention to this HUD.ytd. And once again, this is only if you want to install the actual icon for your Glock. So the YTD files are going to be located in OpenIV towards the bottom. So just keep scrolling down and you'll see a little break right there. And this is where the YTDs start. This is for the actual images. So you're going to scroll down till you see the word HUD. So we're going to keep going and you'll see the word HUD right there. And you're going to see a lot of different images right here. If you look right here, we have a lot of different weapon icons. So we're going to actually install this. We already got the pathway. So we want to get the icon. and you'll see it says weapons_all.dds. And if you look right here, weapons._all, this is what's going to replace right there. So we're going to take this .dds file, we're going to drag it right into here, make sure edit mode is on, otherwise it will not transfer. And then you're going to click save, and you are done. Now let's look at what it looks like in game, and we'll get to it. Okay, here we are inside the game, and now you can tell it's got a really nice high texture to it. And when you get through firing your weapon and you change clips, it's got a really cool animation. And then also, if you want to go into first person view, this is what the actual gun looks like in first person. You can tell it's got a real high texture model. Looks fantastic. Okay, that'll go ahead and wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the simple, fast install of the Max Payne Animated Glock Mod. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next patrol. Stay safe.